Welcome back everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, where we are growing big and growing more in 2024. And there you have it. Today we are going to be transplanting our romaine lettuce into this garden bed. So as you guys can see, let me bring you down a little bit. Come on down here, girl. Come on down here, fellas. All right. So if y'all can see, I have some weeds growing, taking up valuable real estate. They need to come up out of here. We don't have no time for fake ones. No time for fake ones. We are trying to eat. So what I'm doing, just pulling all of these weeds out, and we're gonna turn it over just a little bit, all right. And we're gonna take this one and we're gonna put the first one right here. We need all of our valuable real estate. And we're gonna take this first romaine. Look at that pretty sign right there. We're gonna put that sign right here. Right here. And we're gonna take him and we're gonna put him right there. Right there. Gonna move that right there. We're gonna press it down just a little bit. And there you have it. Our first romaine in the garden. Then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna kind of put it to the side, because we don't want it to be interfering with all this prettiness right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All that prettiness right there. We're gonna take this second romaine right here. We don't want all that dirt because the roots don't go all the way down there. And we're gonna put her in there just like that. Just like that. All right. And we have some more. Look at all this valuable real estate over here, y'all. We need some more homeowners to come and occupy this space. So guess what? I know I got a couple of more romaine lettuces over on my grow table. Let me go and grab them. So I know for sure I got two. This one, I think this is an arugula. So we're gonna put that one to the side. And this one ain't looking like romaine either. We're gonna have to check that one out. But I'm pretty sure this one is. So we're gonna pop this baby up out of here. And don't be laughing at me. I know I ain't the only one that be popping the seed in the pot when the other seed haven't grown, being impatient. I know I ain't the only one. So guess what? Sometimes you plant something in the pot and it don't grow, and something else grow, and you think it's that plant and it don't be. So that's that romaine right there. And let me check on this other plant and see what it is right quick. Hold the line, please. And I'm back. Girl, this is an eggplant. Girl, I knew it didn't look like a romaine lettuce. But like I said, you never know. Girl, this is an eggplant. Guess what? It's gonna be eaten as soon as it give me some eggplants. Hey, volunteer plant. I told y'all. But guess what? It don't matter. It's still gonna be planted in the garden. And I want to say this is an arugula. Let me check it out. Hold the line, y'all. I promise I'm gonna be right back. As soon as you blink your eye, I'm gonna be right back. Don't be scared. Don't miss me. I'm coming right back. Didn't I tell you? It was an arugula. Girl, an arugula. I can't even get my words right. Did y'all miss me? I told y'all wasn't gonna miss me. I told y'all I was gonna be right back. An arugula. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Well, so it's still gonna be planted, just not right here in this section. This is for lettuce and collards and spinach and mustards in this section right here. And these are still holding on, and they still going strong. So guess what? I'm gonna keep watering. And look, y'all, look at my onion, my red onion from the grocery store that I planted. That's one. And look at this one over here, two. Yep. All right, y'all. So that is all for my lettuces. So that is all for my lettuces, girl. Yes. Yeah, she having a moment, but guess what? It's all good because I'm out in my garden and I'm in my happy place and I'm growing stuff, growing big, growing more in 2024, chap lips and all. Thank y'all for coming to my channel. Thank y'all for enjoying my shenanigans. I hope y'all enjoy my shenanigans. Thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you. Share me with your family and your friends. Go and check out my other social media platforms. Check out my Amazon Associates page. My other websites below in the description box below. Check it out. You might like something. You might find something that you like. And until I see you guys in the next video in 2024, you know what it is. It's SalonDivaV and the place to be, y'all. Peace.